Every year, hundreds of items are lost in America, many both metallic and valuable. A significant number are on the side of the road. How many times have you been driving down Old Town Road and seen something shiny and wondered, is that a Craftsman 3/8" drive ratchet wrench? But you're in a hurry, you speed on by, you think, well, I can stop on the way back. Then at the end of the night, you're in bed and you realize, not only did I not grab it, I even forgot where it was. The American Soybean Council estimates that just between the Rockies and the Appalachians, there are dozens of metallic items lost every day. Even discounting the Ozarks, many treasures are just sitting on the side of the road waiting for redemption. Hi, I'm Jack Dugson and welcome to the ST Creeper, a sail-powered recumbent tricycle designed to travel the more than 1,000 miles of flyover country side roads looking for that lost lug nut or a set of channel locks left under the hood by the quickie oil change mechanic or those of his ilk. With the ST Creeper, I plan to cruise the back roads and byways at a relaxed pace, keeping an eye out for hubcaps and screwdrivers and other items of value. And to increase the efficiency, I have developed a towed remote observation tricycle capable of seeing up to 28 millimeters under the earth with magnetic sensing. Best of all, if I hit a snag or if it falls in a manhole, I can simply cut it loose and rebuild it because it's all open source technology. Let me demonstrate. Towed with two lines and steered. Red is for starboard, green is for port. It's really quite simple. So, if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and hit subscribe down below. What did you make today? Did you make someone smile?
Okay, right.
People often ask me how I came up with this idea, and I proudly tell them I thunk it up myself.